first time speaking to you. I'm so excited and also so stressful, but I thought my videos will be better if I talking to you. I'm not sure that I would do it in future videos again, so tell me please in comments which one do you prefer, speaking or not speaking. In this video I'm going to draw a 3D painting by paint on layers of resin. This idea comes from Martina, who makes wonderful videos in YouTube. So first, for making mold, I use foam board and I cut it in specific sizes. Then I covered inside the walls with glue tape so not to stick to the resin. Then I cut the rectangular shape of the paper, which is going to be pattern of the base mold. Then I put it under a shrink plastic or plexiglass and fixed to the base with glue tape. I used hot glue to attach the foam walls on the base. Gluing well, the resin doesn't permeate out. I mixed 20 gram resin with 10 gram hardener, mixing well and pour the first layer. After 24 hours, it's ready to paint. I use acrylic paint. I only have primary colors, I mean blue, red and yellow, and 2 black and white colors. And I mix them to make other colors. Now let's talk about the painting. I decided to draw Van Gogh's Starry Night painting for many reasons. It's not too easy, not too complicated, it's famous, and also it's easy to layerable. I mean, make it 3D by layering by resin. For not making mistake, I painted each layer on my iPad so I could plan to draw each layer correctly. First layer is the base layer, which no details, no actual colors, and just place the objects like moon, mountains, hills, the sky and something. I draw the stars here, but I didn't draw stars in first layer of the actual painting. I prefer to draw it in the second layer. This part of the sky was curvy and I think it shows the wind rising, so I draw it curvy like waves. Before continue, please subscribe my channel. It would be so helpful for me and it is so supportive for me. Most of these colors of this layer will be under other layer painting, so don't need to pay attention to details. I honestly don't know what this part is. Is it hill or river or something else? I guess it's hill. You know, I should read about this painting before, but I didn't think it would be necessary, so I didn't it. For drawing moon, I used an appropriate brush. It was big and it didn't turn out clean. And remember that the main moon shape draw in this layer, and other layer will be light of the moon, so use the appropriate brush to not being miserable by fixing it in each layer. The second layer. In this layer I draw lights of the moon, stars, then draw the waves. I don't know, saying waves or lines or just brush strokes. Anyway, draw sky details. For dry moon and starlight, we use yellow mixing with white to make a lemony yellow color. And don't paint on the moon itself, it will be appear in depths. As every layer, 20g resin, 10g hardener, mixing well, pure on the surface and let it 24 hours left. Third layer. It's town time. I placed houses with no details, of course, because it is so hard to draw details in such a small painting. So I just draw some shapes, rectangular shapes or something shapes, and hopefully to become like houses. Look, moon a little looks 3D here. Fourth layer. My favorite layer of this painting, which I draw tree. The base of the tree, of course, and also a little bit of starlights. Tree base shape drawn by just black paint. And something I want to tell you, it wasn't actually the place of the tree in actual painting. But I wanted to have moon and trees together, so I resized the painting myself. And the final layer. In this layer, I just added 3 details. For this paint, I used brown and dark green to show the leaves and branches of the tree. Actually, I don't know how much it shows itself in camera, but it really looks great 3D with just few layers. I'm so satisfied. And now let's pour the final resin layer. I record the demold part to show you resin doesn't stick to the mold at all, and it's a really easy remove. After demolding, you can sand sharp edges. I decided to hang this painting on the wall, so I used polyester frame and painted with black colors. At the end, I decided to paint backside of the artwork with black color. It gave it more depth and more 3D. So now let's see the result. Before that, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.